Hey guys, today is Sahara Gold. I know you guys like Sahara Gold. I have $5 in the machine. Hits progressives. I have free play today, so let's do that. We're gonna do my favorite denom at 10 cents at $5. Wish me luck. Hopefully I get something. Oh my goodness. Why am I getting worried already? One more. One more. Ah, boo. Come on. Aw. Three more. Alright, I'm gonna see how much more free play I have left. It takes a while to show. Alright. Oh, nothing? Not even the Scorpions lined up? Come on, give me one good bonus. I don't know if I should change the nom or not. I'll do a couple spins on the other denoms. Do 2 spins each. $30 for my free play. Should I keep going? I don't know. We'll see. Alright. Finally. Oh my goodness. I tried all the denoms and I got on 50 cents. Alright, here we go. Surprise me on the last one again, go ahead. Hey, more spins. Backup spin. Another one. Girl just hit something really big. She's going crazy right now. Oh, nice. Okay. This machine's been horrible. Really horrible to me. Hold and spin. Don't be horrible. Don't be more horrible. Oh, nice. Okay. Thank you. That's a good start. Okay. Come on, anything. Yeah. Okay. Come on, colored balls. You know you want to come and play. Go. You can fill it up. It's 10K. Anything. Yeah. Alright, you always want to mess with me on the last spin, so do it again. Ah, boo.